Today I will show you how to make a search input filter in CSS and HTML. Okay, and this is the HTML form, and this is the first list value aggregate, list value Agnes, and the next one is Billy. So I want to find out my desired search item. Okay, if I want to search the Billy, just type here. Okay, the simple search input filter. So, and this is the input box. So how to make that? Just go to your code. Okay, and the input type will be text, and the id is for input my input, and the function on care function my function. Okay, and the list below another list, and the id will be my UL for the first item, which is ideally and the leg type, and the list class name is animals. Okay, simple. And this is the list items, and look it here, and this is the breadcrumb. Okay, home, then pixel, then summer, and then Italy. And there is also a paragraph section, and this is the uh, breadcrumb class. Okay, and the style, padding, margin, and the font size, margin left. Okay, and the list item for your breadcrumb. First one is home, then pizza, then summer, and also Italy. Okay, and there is an also paragraph. No, there are total five list item here. This is the first one, second one, third one, and fourth and fifth one. Okay, and you have to assign the CSS style. First one is for my input ID, then find out the CSS for my input. Okay, and the white will be 100%, and the font size 60 pixel. Okay, and this is the 16 pixel, and the padding and border and margin border. Okay, this is the simple style for your input value. Then, and this is the unordered list my UL, the list style type of which will be none. Okay, padding margin will be 0. Okay, and the list items, this is the simple CSS form. And if you want to add the hover, just you have to add your background color as gray. Look at here, and this is the gray color for our item Billy. Okay, and this is the breadcrumb style, list style, which will be none, and the list display a line and the color theme. And after your breadcrumb item, there is a sign greater than. Okay, so before your item, look at here. This is the greater sign. Okay, home pixel, and the inside between home and pixel, and this is the greater sign. Okay, and this is the symbol says style, but I want to make the searchable filter. So you need to add your JavaScript function. Okay, go to your code, then find out the JavaScript, and this is the JavaScript. The function name is my function. And here I have declared some values. Input filter UL list anchor and the testable and iOS. Okay, firstly you have to assign your input text box ID and the ID name is my input and you need to convert the input text as a uppercase. Okay, then find out your list item and the class name is animals. Okay. Then I have used a simple for loop to find out my searchable value. Okay, and this is the length for animals. Now, finally, I want to say again here there is no items and there is and two items. Okay, uh, just use IDD and thanks for watching.